All right, here it is, the Twisted Rodz Show. This bad boy is the biggest show in Ocean City, and this show is no different. There's all the guys and girls right there. And yeah, this place is packed. I'm gonna try to cover some shit that I can between, I think, 3 lots, and the street is full. So I'm just gonna hit some key stuff and hopefully get the gist of this show and how big it actually is. There's my wellies I haven't bought yet, but I'm working on it. So anyway, let's get into some video. These are the members' cars over here. They completely fill this place up. And a whole nother lot. We're gonna walk down here. Probably gonna just try to videotape as much as I can. Like I said, I got here late. I like to get here, catch cars coming in. I know you all like to hear them and see them moving. So I apologize for that. But look at this. Sweet, beautiful Chevelle right there, right? Look at that.
What's up, Joe?
Hey, what's up, buddy? All right, got to see my boy Eddie right there. Y'all know him. Hell of a guy. Yep. Supporter of the channel, the Facebook group. A little reminder, go hit the Facebook group. Yep. This bad boy right here. We saw that one last night. Man, that thing is beautiful. She's built for race, but I mean, it is done so nice and so well done. It's not funny. I'm gonna hit this row. That sounded awesome. Beautiful Camaro. These were cool people. We hung out with them at the Secrets last night. Oh yeah. Sweet Rambler. Look at the gasser. See the gasser, boys? Awesome. Got a Willys over here. I'm telling you, this show brings all of the cars from Ocean City to it. And the Twisted Rodz group is a great group of guys and girls. Just, yeah, if you're in Maryland, hell, join the group. Join their club. So, all right, we're going to go check out some more cars. Oh, beautiful Chevelle. That Camaro with a 502. All right, brother. Camaro with a 502 in it. They're sweet. This has been cruising around. Check it out. Look what we got here. Isn't that cool? Got his Power Tour Nova and that old Malibu sitting on the end there. That's slick. Got a Mustang out over there. Oh, look what we got here.
You can own it, man.
There you go, right? Oh, man, don't tempt me. There you go. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. We've seen that one before down here. Beautiful Mustang, the Buick. We got the custom van. It's nice. It says shitbox. That's pretty funny. I'm telling you, they, once again, man, they packed this house. It's an awesome show. We got Tanner right here. All right, we got Tanner. This truck is beautiful. I'm telling you. It's gorgeous. Got some Plymouth here. Got the Firebird. We're gonna walk down this way. We got some friends down here. Like I say, this is a different kind of video. I just want to make sure I get some footage here. I come down and they all run. And nobody wants to be on camera. Look at him running across the damn street. Look at that. There you go. He's not afraid of the camera. Hell yeah. Alrighty. All right, we just ran into a friend of ours, Lewis, right there. You might know him from the indoor shows. Several beautiful cars and trucks. Look at that. That's cool. That's a chameleon paint. How sweet is that, right? All right, we got some stuff moving here. Nice 71. All right, so we were parked all the way down the end, and we just got these spots open, so we jumped in them real quick. I mean, literally, we were parked down there in the red zone. So we're here, so I'm happy to have it. I'll pop this hood, and then we'll move on. All right, so the show extended over. They're parked over there into the Chipotle and the Holiday Inn Express Hotel. So I tell you, this is an awesome show. They pack them in here. And look at this pretty 41 Wellies. It's a little quieter over here, so we can check out the cars a little bit more. Over there, it's pretty busy, 41 Wellies. My bucket list car right there. Truck. We'll head up this way. Nice Jeep truck. This is cool, isn't it? Sweet. There's even cars on that lot. On Bourbon Street. We got this one. This is badass. We've hung out with them for a while. Good show. Good show. There's a buddy of ours pickup over there. It's funny, we run into people from the indoor shows on the outside, so it's always cool to see them. We got us a Viper here. All right. Sweet Chevelle. Got a Cadillac. Them things are fast. And there's that 300 I was talking about the other night, the post car. They're still coming in. Got the Mustang corners, a nice little notch right there. Two little notches. Very cool. Very cool. Ford. Look at that. Sweet 68. Oh, we know this guy. That's nice. Yeah, that's a pretty damn car. Pretty car. Nice Camaro, Caddy, Chevelle. How you doing? Tristan's truck. That's a sweet ride, man. It's pretty. Oh, look at the patina on this old truck. I like them patina trucks. They just drive, man. All right. Badass Chevelle over there. So, yeah, once again, good show. Wow, thank you, Twisted Rodz of Maryland, for giving us this beautiful plaque, thanking us for supporting you guys, and I want to thank you for supporting us, and we're all in this just to keep the hobby rolling. So thanks again, we appreciate it, we'll see everybody next year.